Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. This is the most favorite in my family. It's called Thai Basil Chicken Rice. We always have chicken fried rice or vegetarian veg fried rice, but this is a different tone and different taste in Thai style. So let's get started. So I have already cooked jasmine rice. This is 2 cups of jasmine rice. Half a cup of bell peppers. I've taken green one, but you can take any colors, red, orange. It's beautiful. 6 to 7 garlic cloves and 3 to 4 green chilies. Chicken. If you are not eating chicken, you can add a bunch of vegetables in here. I have thinly sliced chicken breast here. Since it's a basil rice, this is basil, lots of basil, salt and pepper to taste, and this is fish sauce, or you can also get Worcestershire sauce. I don't know whether I can pronounce it correctly, but this is how it looks. And also some oil. Alright, so I'm going to peel off the garlic cloves, and I have it's called a hand mixer, maybe, I don't know. I have this, so especially for Thai recipes I use this to mince this chili and garlic, because it's going to be a different flavor if you mince it rather than putting it in the mixer. So I'm going to grind it here just like this. I have a wok here and I have turned the heat to high. So all Thai dishes, the key thing is turn the heat on high, and wok should be really hot. So it's time to add some oil. So just look how I'm gonna add the oil from the sides. Look at this. And now it's turned for this roughly minced garlic and chili. So be careful. It's really hot. Just stir. Oh my god, I can't even tell you what's the aroma in this. Gotta try it. Add chicken. We're going to cook chicken now for around 2 minutes. As you can see, chicken is almost getting cooked. You can see it's turning white already. Since I have thinly sliced, it's not gonna take long to cook. At this point, you can add bell peppers. Ooh, look at the color. Again, keep the flame on high so that it's going to get that nice roasty flavor in this. Now it's time to add some rice. I have cooked jasmine rice, and it's a great dish when you have leftover rice. Nothing better than this. Alright, Christmas rice. I can't even explain how aromatic this dish is. So now it's time to add salt and pepper. half a tablespoon of black pepper and salt to taste. Alright, time for sauce. So now you can add fish sauce along with this sauce. If you do not have both of them, you can try out with soy sauce. But again, Thai dish, so try to get the right sauce. Alright, so rice was already cooked, so as you can see, you can have this. You don't have to cook it much. Now the main ingredient is bunch of basil. So I'm just going to roughly chop just like that. No need of knife. Just do like that because it will get you the flavor in the rice. Alright, so this flavor explosion basil fried rice is so ready for you guys. I can't even tell you how aromatic this is. So I'm going to dish it out. Let's do that. You can also add protein of your choice. You can have it with shrimp, you can have it with carrot, tofu, variety is endless. Also top it up with some basil. The flavor of basil is tremendous. It's just amazing. And in Thai restaurants you have seen there is always cucumber as a garnishing. And I do not have lime, but lemon is as good as lime. So I'm going to add lemon. So when you eat, you're gonna squeeze some lemon juice in there. And that's a bunch of freshness in this dish. So here you go, Thai Basil Fried Rice. Thai Basil Fried Rice is ready for you. Enjoy! And thank you for watching this recipe. Thank you for visiting Foodland again, and stay tuned for more such interesting recipes. Here is a Foodland is nothing but a flavor explosion. See you next time. Bye!